Hello and welcome to today's video where we will explore the basics of blockchain technology. Blockchain is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to change the way we conduct business, exchange value, and interact with each other. In this video, we will explain what blockchain is, how it works, and its potential applications. What is blockchain technology? At its core, a blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent manner. It consists of a network of computers that communicate and validate transactions, which are then recorded in blocks. Each block is cryptographically linked to the previous one, forming a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. How does it work? When a transaction occurs, it is broadcasted to the network of computers, which verifies the transaction's validity. Once verified, the transaction is added to a block, which is then added to the chain of blocks. This process is repeated for every new transaction, creating a tamper-proof and immutable ledger of all transactions on the network. Applications of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology has numerous potential applications, including finance, supply chain management, and digital identity. In finance, blockchain can be used to create decentralized financial systems, such as cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Blockchain can also be used in supply chain management to track the movement of goods from the manufacturer to the end consumer, increasing transparency and accountability. In digital identity, blockchain can be used to create secure and decentralized identity systems, eliminating the need for centralized databases that are susceptible to hacks and data breaches. Advantages of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology has several advantages over traditional systems. First, it is decentralized, meaning that there is no single point of failure. This makes it more secure and resilient to attacks. Second, it is transparent, meaning that all transactions are visible to all participants on the network. This increases trust and accountability. Finally, it is immutable, meaning that once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted, ensuring the integrity of the ledger. Challenges and limitations. While blockchain technology has numerous advantages, it also has several challenges and limitations. First, it is still a nascent technology, and there are many technical challenges that need to be addressed, such as scalability and interoperability. Second, there are also regulatory and legal challenges, particularly around cryptocurrencies and their potential use in illegal activities. Finally, there are also environmental concerns, particularly around the energy consumption required for blockchain mining. This is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform numerous industries. Its decentralized, transparent, and immutable nature makes it an attractive option for businesses and individuals looking for more secure and accountable systems. While there are still several challenges that need to be addressed, the potential benefits of blockchain technology are vast, and we are likely to see more and more applications of this technology in the years to come. If you found this video informative, please consider subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for your support.